everyone, how are you doing? And I am here with an Amazon haul. Now, let me start by saying I have been looking on Amazon for bee-themed decor, and I have been looking probably a good 3 months. So this wasn't all at one time. This is through the course of a good 3-4 months. So first off are a couple of pillow covers. This one I thought was really pretty. And it's kind of like a burlap type. It's not really burlap, but it kind of looks like it. Maybe a linen. And I don't know the vendors. All I know, I just go on Amazon. I don't look at the names and all that. But if you are interested, just go on Amazon and put in bee-themed pillow covers or bee-themed decor, and a whole bunch, just a plethora of things will come up. So I got that one, and I'm sure a lot of you have seen this particular print. And I got this one. Okay, so I'll put those on my pillows. And then I got some ribbon. Personally, I think the ribbon's too expensive, but I didn't have a choice because of the stores not being open. And it's a very thin ribbon. I would have liked a thicker with bees on it, but you know the old saying, beggars can't be choosers. And I'll just put it with other ribbon. Then I got some of these long socks for DIY. Then I got some of these daisies, and they are very pretty, but I would much rather get my florals from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. These weren't cheap, and it wasn't worth the amount, but they will work for my bee and lemon themed DIYs and decor. And then here is a kitchen towel, and this one I do know because they put a tag on it. And this one is Primitives by Kathy, and this is through Amazon. And it's big. It's a very big kitchen towel. And it says, "Home is where your honey is." So I thought that was cute. And then I ordered these little bees. Let focus. And they're just little plastic bees, and the white on the back is like a sticky pop dot. So I'll use these in my decor and my DIY pieces. I cannot remember, they weren't very much. And then this I thought was bigger than what it was. If I had known how small, I wouldn't have gotten it. But it's a little honey pot. So I'll probably put that. And then I got these little bees. And what they are is they're little charms. It's not focusing. These little bee charms. And I'll probably take off the little eye part, you know, with a wire cutter. There those are. And then just some of the dippers for the honey pots. Okay, and then one thing I got from my subscriber Missy, and she's always surprising me with something, and I never know. All of a sudden there'll be a package at my door. Bless her heart. So she had this little bag, isn't that cute? And it had bees on it, so I'll use that bag in something. And in it, she sent me this. It's a kitchen sponge, and you can reuse it and reuse it. But look, it's bees. Is that adorable? And then in the package, she sent me a card. She said this little woman makes these. She felts these bees And when you see these, they are absolutely adorable. You guys, I want you to look at these. This little woman makes these. They're felted. Are these adorable? Look at this. She makes these by hand. These are so cute. You can see them better when I put them down. I love these bees, so you know they're going to go in my decor with my bee series. And I'm going to keep this tissue paper. Actually, I think I'm going to decoupage my gumball machine in this. So stick around for that one. So Missy, thank you so much. I really appreciate your little surprises. They are so sweet. Guys, that's it. That is my Amazon haul for my bee theme. Until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.